Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year! So today's topic, what do buyers need to know about saving for a home in this year, 2024?
Great topic, and it sounds to me like back to the beginning, back to the basics, but you know what, this is New Year and let's start it fresh.
Yes.
So, we give you basic knowledge about how to start and where to start. And it's about savings. So what are you guys saving for? First of all, it's down payment. Down payment, and lots of people think like down payment is 20%. It's not. It can be from 0% actually and up to whatever you feel comfortable with. You can pay.
Yeah, a lot of so conventional first-time home buyers, they can put down 3% at the least. For FHA, it's 3.5%. VA is always no money, zero down. And on average, most home buyers, they do 10% down payment. That's just the national average. So that's still far from 20%.
Yeah, so if you think it's 20%, no, it's not. It's just, it's nice, but if you don't have 20%, it's not a problem. We can still
work something out.
Pre-approve you, yes. So, besides the down payment, you guys have to think about closing costs. A lot of people forget about it. Closing costs are about can be from 3% to 5% of the purchase price of the house. And paying closing costs, you pay all the people who work for you: title company, lender, underwriter. You might buy some points, right, to lower your interest rate. So those are closing costs. And like I said, it's from 3 to 5% depending on your situation, on your mortgage. So be prepared to have it. If you don't have it, we have to ask the seller to contribute towards your closing costs. And it doesn't always work because sellers want to get the most amount of money for their homes as well. Kata, do you have anything to add to closing costs as a mortgage lender?
I think you summed it up pretty well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the third part, you have to be aware of the earnest money deposit. Now, a lot of people asking me, is it separate from down payment or it's the part of the down payment? It is a part of the down payment. So, it's like you prepay and you show that you are a serious buyer. You put some money down and you're ready to go and do this transaction. This money will be on your escrow account. Nobody will touch it during the transaction. And if something doesn't go right, most likely you will get it back. If there is some big reason for that, like your mortgage didn't get approved, or the appraisal didn't come in, or you didn't like the inspection, you get this money back.
And how much is an earnest money deposit usually?
Great question. Yeah, usually it's from 1 to 2% of the purchase price of the house. So if you buy a house for $500,000, count on $5,000, maybe $8,000 down payment. I mean, earnest money deposit. Yeah. And keep in mind, the earnest money deposit, you have to pay it up front. Like when you make an offer gets accepted, you have to come up with that money right away.
There's a few days, correct?
Yeah.
How much is it usually?
Well, usually we give 1 to maybe 3 days.
Okay.
So yeah, you have a few days to get it done, but it's better if you have it
as soon as possible.
So like upfront. So guys, this is pretty much it. It's basic stuff we're going through today. And if you have any questions regarding mortgages, all type of programs,
Yes, you can call me at 702-682-6460, and when you're ready to buy or sell your home, you can call Tatiana at...
Call me at 702-592-7886. Thank you guys and have a wonderful year.